And that's your onion poultice. So now it's nice and warm. You can take this side and you can, of course, if it's still too hot, you can wait until it's the appropriate temperature, especially with kids. But you'll get the person to lay down on the couch or on a bed comfortably, maybe with a little bit of back support so they're a little bit raised up. Then you'll place this on your chest for about 20 minutes. And you can even put a blanket over top so that you're nice and warm. And this, after you're done for the 20 minutes, you can remove it. It will help to expectorate and remove phlegm that's stuck deep in the lungs.